Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here at the Shichu Center in TST. Beautiful blustery day here in Hong Kong, but boy do I have a beauty to share with you guys right now, and it's none other than the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And your first look on Frankie Tech of the S21 Ultra 5G, and I got it in this matte black version, guys. Let me show you the version that I got. It is the 12 gigs, 256 gigs Phantom Black version. And here it is. What a beauty. It's finally here on the channel. And let's talk about it, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Sights and sounds of Hong Kong as usual. So I love coming here because this is such an amazingly impactful place to do a kind of hands-on and just share my initial experiences of this device. Let's talk about the design initially. So why did I pick up the Phantom Black? Because let's face it, this is the color that I think a lot of you guys are going to be going for. I saw the silver in the store, and clearly the silver is nice, but if you're going to go black, this is the most stealth black phone I've ever seen in my life. It's incredible, and I think this is also the color that works best with this camera module. Look, I wasn't the biggest fan of this camera module when I initially saw it, but in this black color version, it looks pretty great. And I actually do like the way this curves in to the edge there. It's actually a lot better built than I expected. And obviously on the front, we have a 6.8 inch display on this phone. Let's kind of move it up here so you guys can see. Now you will notice there's a little bit of kind of refreshing that's going on here on the display. And you notice it's very obvious when I kind of show you right there. I'm not sure why exactly that is happening, but we're gonna leave it here for now. You don't see this obviously when you're actually using the device. And look, the bezels look really tiny. They're really tiny top and bottom. And we do have the centered punch hole, which I know some of you guys don't like. I don't really mind it. I think it's okay. And so when you combine the design, this beautiful stealth black design with a 6.8 inch display, this is going to be one of the best panels on the market for sure. But of course, I think the Mi 11 has something to say about it too. And stay tuned, guys. Performance wise, this is the big question. Maybe you are wondering, is this the Exynos version? Well, guys, I will show you right here. And man, that banding does not look good, but trust me, guys, it is not there on this version of the phone. Let me see if I can find it here and go to device care. Here we go. And we're not seeing it there. Well, here's the news, guys. The Exynos version is typically the one you're going to find in the rest of the world right now, but in the States, you get the Snapdragon 888 version. Well, guess what? In Hong Kong, we also have the Snapdragon version, and this is model number SMG980. So you can check for yourselves if that truly is the Snapdragon 888 version of the phone. Look, it's a pretty big phone. I'm telling you, and in terms of thickness, it's definitely feeling thicker than the Mi 11 already. But performance-wise, it's a beast of a phone, and with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, this is the version I got. This should be one of the fastest, most powerful phones I have to use. Dual speakers, obviously, on this phone, but it's kind of through the earpiece. But I think we're going to have a really great audio speaker test next to the Mi 11 coming up very soon. And let's do it, the classic Frankie Tech camera shot. We got to take a photo here of this just incredible building. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And yeah, not sure, guys, why the display is doing this type of refreshing. I'm filming at 4K 30 FPS. There you see it's a little bit better, but the quality of the shot looks really good, really solid. This could be due to the LTPO panel that Samsung is using now that allows them to go from 10 hertz up to 120 hertz on this phone. So that may be one of the side effects of actually filming this type of a display. And I'm filming with the iPhone right now, 4K 30 FPS. That might be the case. But anyways, guys, first impressions of this S21 Ultra. Man, it is a pretty stunning stealth black device. And let me leave you here with this shot of this just gorgeous phone here with this gorgeous building. And hit me up with the comments, what videos would you like to see with this S21 Ultra? But guess what, guys? This is not the first video, not the only video of today, because get ready, we're about to do a very fun comparison here between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and, drumroll, stuck in my pocket. Darn. There we go. The S21 Ultra and the Xiaomi Mi 11. Stay tuned. I'm going to do this quickly here in a separate video. But that's it for this one, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, guys. And stay tuned, of course, to all the coverage of this S21 Ultra. My experience, my Frankie Tech experience here on the channel. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. All right, here we go. Let's compare, baby.